Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Img.Upscaler. It's a tool by which you can increase the resolution of old or pixelated photos, and it's an web-based photo upscaler. So you can use their web. Also, they have application. You can use their application and web both. And as you can see, they have very good reviews on AppSumo. 5-star reviews that are available. 20 reviews they have gotten here. This person has given here 4-star, promising but improvement needed. Okay, that's really great. And almost most of the people have given here 5-star review. So these are the things. And see here, the pricing is 69 USD, and you can here upscale unlimited number of photos in one code. So in one code it will cost you 69 USD, but you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this image upscaler lifetime deal. They have 60 days refund policy also. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of image upscaler and let's explore how things work here. So guys, this is the dashboard of image upscaler. Very simple dashboard. Let me reload it one time. Here if you come to this upscale section, then you can upscale 200% or 400%, and you have to just upload your image here in this drag or drop option and just click on start, and then it will upscale your image. So to upscale, at the left hand side I will keep the real image, and at the right hand side I will keep the image upscaler. That's why I will shrink my browser here. As you can see, this is my browser, and here I will upload this image. This is one real image, guys. So I will upload now this image here. See guys, here is the image, and then I will select it, open it, and then here you will get this start option. You have to just click on this start, and then it will start to upscale it. So just wait some time, it will be upscaled. So it's done, guys. I hope you get idea how much time it will take. Now if I just click on this download option, then it will redirect you to their CDN, and here you can see the upscaled image. And as you can see, here is the real image. Let me keep myself here. Here is the real image, and this is the upscaled image. And just look at the image in the left hand side and image at the right hand side, and then judge on yourself which one do you think is more good. And here, as I'm seeing here, the tiles are looks maybe a little bit great, I think. And it's improved a little bit, not much, but little bit improvement here I'm seeing, I think. And in your case, what you are seeing, let me know in the comment section, guys. So this is our first upscaled image. Now let's say we will upscale the same image 200%. So I'll select 200, and then if I uh, select the same image here, then if I click on start, then it will start to upscale again. See guys, this is the second one that we are upscaling 200%. It will upscale now, and within this time, and there have feature you can here drag and drop more than one image. Let's say I will add here up to 3 images. So you can add up to 5 images here. See here, you can upload 3 images in one time or more than one image in one time. And if you just click start, then it will start to upscale. But see, it has been upscaled already. So if I just click here on this download, then see, this is the image that is 200% upscaled, and this one was 400% upscaled. I hope you can see, guys, this one is 200% upscaled and this one is 400% upskilled. I hope you get idea. Now let's say I will upscale this one, the image of this bird. So I will open the bird's image here at the left hand side at first. See guys, this is the real image of the bird. Now I will upscale it. Let's say at first I will upscale it 200%. So I'll select 200 and then I'll just click here start and then see. Let's see how much upscale it do. You can start all just by clicking here. I'm not starting all. I'll just select this one. It's done guys. Now if I click here on this download, then you will see how much upscale has been done. See, a lot of improvement I'm seeing here. Just look at the image in the left hand side and in the right hand side. A lots of improvement here I'm seeing, and this is 200%. Now we will upscale 400%. So I'll select here 400 and then I will select the bird image from here and then I'll open it and then I'll just click here on this start and then let it be done. Just wait some time guys and it will be done. See guys, it's done. Now if I click here on this download, then you will see the image which is 400% upscaled. See guys, this is the image. This one is 400% upscaled and this one is 200% upscaled. Now see again, this one is 200% upscaled and this one is 400% upscaled, and the image that you are seeing in the left hand side, this one is 0% upscaled. I hope you get idea guys. So what do you think about this tool guys? How good this tool is, let me know in the comment section. See guys, if I drag and drop it, see, if I zoom it and drag and drop it, then it's showing me like that. I hope you get idea guys here about it. And here one thing I want to show you guys, if you reload this page, then all your image will gone, it will not be saved here. So what you have to do, you have to just right click here and then you have to save it. Let's say I'll click here, save it as upscaled. Let's say this is my image name, and here if I download it, see, this is the downloaded upscaled image. I hope you get idea. And you can here upload up to 5 image, maximum size 10 MB and maximum dimension is 4000 by 4000. You can use them and you can upscale the images for 200% and 400%. You can start the upscaling all, or you can remove all just by clicking here on this remove all. Now if I reload it, then all the images will be gone. See, the images has not been stored here. I hope you get idea guys. In this way you can upscale your images here. They also have application on App Store and Google Play Store. You can use their application also on your mobile phone. So these are the whole idea guys on this image upscaler. They have very good reviews also on AppSumo. And what do you think about this tool? Let me know in the comment section, and I will give the URL of this image upscaler in the description of this video. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on image upscaler lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider subscribing this YouTube channel, and thanks again for watching this video guys.